When body cells change and grow uncontrollably, they destroy surrounding tissue. In such a case, the term cancer is used. If cancer is detected early, it can be treated well in most cases. However, since many types of cancer are completely without symptoms or these do not directly indicate cancer, cancer is still one of the most common causes of death. To help you detect cancer at an early stage, here are 12 symptoms that don't directly mean you have cancer, but that you might want to get checked out by a doctor. Number 1. Node. If you notice nodules under your skin, this could indicate cancer. In most cases, the nodules are completely painless. Men should pay particular attention to lumps in the testicular area, because these can be felt quickly and can then also be treated accordingly quickly. Likewise, swollen lymph nodes, if they exist over a long period of time, can be an indication that should be examined by a doctor. Number 2. Loss of appetite and weight. Have you lost a relatively large amount of weight recently, even though you haven't dieted or exercised? This could be an indication of cancer in the lungs, stomach or pancreas. Rapid weight gain could also be a clue, as could loss of appetite or nausea and vomiting. Number 3. Change of skin and nails. If your skin gets darker, reddish spots appear or it starts to itch, you should have it examined by a dermatologist. Moles that start to change should also be examined. Also, if your nails change color or even become deformed, this could be a sign of lung cancer. Number 4. Extreme fatigue. If you are extremely tired all the time, and also constantly fatigued and still can't perform at your full capacity even after a night of plenty of sleep, this could be an indication of leukemia or various lymphomas. The same applies to fever or heavy night sweats for no apparent reason. Number 5. Cramps, pain and dizziness. Do you suffer from severe pain, cramps or dizziness? Then you should also have this clarified by a doctor, as these symptoms could also indicate various types of cancer. Number 6. Bleeding. Bleeding can occur in all forms. For example, if you cough up blood, you should see a doctor quickly, as this can be a sign of lung cancer. Rectal bleeding or blood in the stool could be a sign of colon cancer, but it may just be harmless hemorrhoids. Blood in the urine and, in women, irregular spotting should also be examined by a doctor. Number 7. Heartburn. Heartburn is harmless in most cases, but could also indicate cancer in the esophagus or stomach. In this case, another sign could be a strong bad breath. If you also experience pain and a feeling of pressure in the upper abdomen, you should see your doctor. Number 8. Itching. If you notice more itching on your skin, or in the genital or anal area, this could be a sign of skin cancer, leukemia or liver disease. If the itching does not disappear over time with ointments, you should also have this examined by a doctor. Number 9. Shortness of breath, cough and hoarseness. If you suffer from coughing, shortness of breath or hoarseness for a long time, lung cancer could be the cause. A particularly severe cough could also indicate thyroid cancer or cancer of the larynx. Especially if you have a bloody cough, you should go to the doctor quickly and have a checkup. Number 10. Difficulty swallowing. Cancer of the mouth or throat can make swallowing difficult. Swallowing disorders can also be triggered by swollen lymph nodes. These swell in many cancers because the cancer cells settle here. Lymph nodes are mainly found on the neck under the armpits and in the groin area. Number 11. Inhibited wound healing. Normally, small wounds should heal relatively quickly. However, if wound healing is disturbed, wounds can heal significantly worse. You may also notice an increase in small wounds around the mouth. This can also be a symptom of cancer. And number 12. The toilet. If you have to go to the toilet more often, if you have prolonged diarrhea, or if your stool changes significantly, you should be examined for colorectal cancer. Also, if you have pain when urinating or even blood in your urine, a visit to the doctor is inevitable. If you notice one or more of these symptoms, it will often be something harmless. However, you should go to the doctor once more, because something more serious like cancer could be behind it. Do you know what happens to you when you eat cereal every day? In the video we link to you here we show it to you. If you like the video then I would be really happy about a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any new video.